Hi students, once again this is Al Druschler, and in this video we are going to learn how to add and subtract polynomials. Okay, so first, this came off the thing a little bit small there. There we go. Okay, so we have actually three polynomials that we are adding together. There are three trinomials: 2x squared plus 12xy minus 11. And 6x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus negative x squared minus y minus 2. Now, when you're adding polynomials, notice the plus sign in front of the parentheses. You could actually just drop the parentheses and rearrange any like terms. So, I could just rewrite this as 2x squared plus 12xy minus 11. Now this plus indicates that everything in the second polynomial will use the same sign that it already has. So plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 4. You just drop the parentheses. And then minus x squared minus y minus 2. Now if there was a minus sign in front of it, you'd have to change all the signs in that second polynomial. But it's a plus, so we just keep the signs. Now we just find anything that are like terms. 2x squared plus 6x squared minus x squared. So I can rearrange those like terms using the commutative property. Plus 12xy. And I don't see any other xy's. Okay. Minus 11 minus 2. There's a minus 2 at the end there. Those are like terms. I already used the 6x squared. So minus 2x. You know what, and I forgot the plus 4. So let's put the plus 4 in front of the minus 2. Sometimes it's a good idea actually to cross off what you already used. So we have minus 11, plus 4, minus 2, good. Use the plus 6x squared, minus 2x. Use the plus 4, use the minus x squared, and then minus y. Okay, now we just group any of the like terms. For example, these three are like terms, and these are like terms, and every other term does not have a like term to correspond with it. So now we add the coefficients, and in front of this minus x squared there's a 1 there. So 2 plus 6 is 8, minus 1 is 7, so we have 7x squared. Bring down the plus 12xy. Negative 11 plus 4 is negative 7. Minus 2 is minus 9. And then minus 2x, and then minus y. So you might want to put these in order of higher degree. The first term, 7x squared, is degree 2. The 12xy term is also degree 2. But that minus 9 is a constant. It's degree 0. The negative 2x is degree 1, and the negative y is degree 1. So we could just put the minus 9 at the very end. So 7x squared plus 12xy minus 2x minus y minus 9. And that's simplified as much as possible. Okay, now an example of subtracting. Again, this is a little bit out of the window, so let me make it a little bit smaller. Bring it in. Great. Okay. Now in this example, we have a trinomial, 2x to the 4th minus 3x squared plus 7x minus a polynomial with 4 terms, 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Now what happens here is this negative sign gets distributed. So this negative sign right here will be distributed in each of those terms. So it will change the sign of all those terms. So we can bring this down. We can drop the parentheses in the first polynomial. And now we just write each of those other 4 terms but with opposite signs. So minus 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. And then we group any like terms. So there's no other x to the 4ths. Now, I'm going to rearrange these so they're actually going from highest exponent to lowest exponent. So I see a minus 5x cubed. So I might want to cross them off as I use them. Now I see a negative 3x squared minus 2x squared. And then a plus 7x plus 3x. And then a minus 5. So, simplifying everything and grouping all like terms. We're left with 2x to the fourth minus 5x cubed minus 5x squared plus 10x minus 5. Okay, once again, if you have any questions, this is Al Druschler. Please contact me as soon as possible.